Deluxe School, a demo school for Skoolum.
By the end of this video, the admin will learn to create forms for any purpose, to manage the school's day-to-day activities or needs. Custom form creation is an incredibly useful and powerful tool that keeps your Skoolum system more useful than any other school management system. If the admin goes to the left side menu and clicks on Create Forms button, the admin will be able to see Create a Form button and Delete a Form button. The financial aid form is an example of a custom form, and when a custom form has been created, it will have the option to change its form structure. View form structure, and submitted forms can be analyzed as well. When the admin goes to the left side menu and clicks on Create Forms button, and then clicks on Create a Form button, the page for creating a custom form opens. All the forms created using this method will be shown at the bottom of the page. Here, the admin can write the form name and a description of the form. For example, we have named the form Fee Reduction Form. And then in the description, we have written that, if you think that you cannot pay the full fee of this institute, you can fill this form and let us decide how much reduction of fee can be allowed in your case. Now the admin can click on Create a Form button. A green message will appear in the top right corner declaring that fee reduction form has been created successfully. Now, you will see the newly created form at the bottom of the page. In the left side menu, a new button is added for the fee reduction form. Here you will be able to view and change the form structure. If you click on the fee reduction form at the bottom of the page, you will be able to see the current form structure. Now, click on Change Form Structure at the bottom of the page or in the left side menu. The page for changing the form structure opens. The hidden word, just below the description, shows that the form has not been published yet. Here you can add a new section to the form, add a field in that section of the form, and add a field in the form without linking it to a section. Now click on Add Section button, a small form opens, where the name of the section and the description of this section can be given. Now click Create a Section button. A green message appears in the top right corner. Now you will be able to see the section on the right side of Fee Reduction Form card. Now click on Add a Field in Section of Form button. A form will pop up. Here, first choose a section of the form, then give the name of the field. Then choose a type of the field as text, text area, number, image, file or date. For example, if you are asking for age, you will select number, and then choose whether it is required or optional. If a field is mandatory, then choose required. Otherwise, it will be optional. Now, click on Create a Field button. A green message appears in the top right corner. All other form sections and fields are created in this way. When all the fields have been added, go to the left side menu. Click the Fee Reduction Form button, and then click on View Form Structure. When the page opens, click on the View on Front button at the bottom of the page. Now the screen for the front view opens, and you can see the form as the students, or the parents of the students, will see it. Please note that at this moment, only admin can view it. Also see that the Skoolum system has created validation checks for the form fields as well. Now, go back to the admin by clicking the Go Back button. If you are satisfied, click on Show to All button. After showing to all, or publishing the form, go to the left side menu, click on Fee Reduction Form, and now you will see an additional button for submitted forms. If you click on this button, at this time, you will be taken to submitted forms. But as we have just created this form, there will be nothing to see. So, let's fill a form. When a student goes to the school menu and clicks on the Forms button, the list of all the custom forms created by the school opens. Here the student clicks on the fee reduction form, and the form will open. She fills the form, gives the security code, agrees to the terms and conditions, and then clicks on Submit button. A green message will appear. If the student later goes to the forms page, she can see that she had submitted this form on such and such date. Now, if the admin goes to the left side menu, clicks on Fee Reduction Form and then clicks on the Submitted Forms button, this time the submitted forms can be seen. If you click on this form, the form will open with all the details submitted by the student. You can view the details of the student, and you can also delete this form by clicking on the small trash bin icon at the top of the page, just below the picture and the name. Suppose you want to delete a custom form that you had created in the past. If you go to the left side menu, click on Create Forms button, and then click on Delete a Form button, you can see that you cannot directly delete this form. First, you have to click on the Delete Related Data First button. At the top of the form card, you will see in a blue box the number of forms that have been submitted. Now, if you click on Delete Related Data First button, you will be taken to the submitted forms. Here, you will have to delete the submitted forms one by one. The system will ask for confirmation before deleting. Now go back to the Delete a Form button. You can see that the form card now says that you must first hide this form. And if you click on First Hide this Form button, you will be taken to the page for viewing form structure. Here, you will have to click the Hide from All button. A green message appears. You can show and hide the forms from this page. Now, go back to the Delete a Form button, and this time you can see and click on the Delete Form button. A green message confirms that the form has been deleted, and it will no longer be available on the left side menu. The next video is about verifying newly registered user accounts.
Please like, subscribe and share Skoolum videos.